sitting right here. She's so frosted. Oh my gosh. You're so frosty. Hello. Look at her nose. Hi. You're all covered in frost. You're so pretty. You're like snow horses. Hi, I'm Rowan. I realize I haven't spent a lot of time in front of the camera, so I wanted to change that and say hello. Welcome to my world. It is 25 below in northern Minnesota right now. I'm outside doing the chores. Every morning I haul some water. I have to give fresh water to the chickens and geese, make sure they have enough food for the day. Pitch some hay to the horses and make sure they have enough water for the day. Just make sure that everything's good, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. So far I've traditionally just kind of done a few painting tutorials since that's one of my passions and something I'm excited to share with you. I'll do more tutorials. That's one of my goals for this year, is to spend more time painting with you, and also just to get in the front of the camera and say hi every now and then, check in on how you guys are doing, and share a little bit about my life, because I think the more we can connect, like I want to connect with you more as a human person, and not just like as the holder of a paintbrush. So I'm getting cold now. I'm gonna go in.